This is Samsung EcoBubble washing machine. It is leaking water from drawer. Here. Usually the problem is easily solvable. You just need to wash this part in acid, so it will open up the channels again. We did it, but still it is leaking. So the real problem in this machine is that it is broken inside. It has a crack, and that crack is not repairable. We have already ordered a new part, so now we are going to change it. For changing, we need basically two things: Phillips head screwdriver and pliers. Safety first. Let's take off electricity, close water. Then first we are going to open two screws here. One here, second one here. Then slide it back and take it off. Then we need to take this off. Let's take this out. It has a little knob here, you see. We take off this and this here. Then we need to take off this clamp here, and there is one big pipe and clamp down. Also that. This is easily removable, just push it and move it a little bit here. It's a little bit hard with one hand, but yeah, you see. Nice. There is one down there. I'm gonna remove it. So, to remove this one here, it's better if you first take this out. So, for that, you move it a little bit like here. You see, when this part is coming out here, like that, you see, it came out, and now you can just put it here. Nice. Now you have room. Then we are going to remove this ones like here, like here, like here. Very nice. And now we are going to take off this water pipe. Now there are two screws here. I can show you. We are going to remove those screws. Like that. Now the last part, this. So pressurize this spring and move it backwards a little bit. I can twist it a little bit like this and move like this and move back. So it came off. Now we also are going to twist it a little bit. Twist it and pull it same time. Nice. So here is a part number. If you want to order a new one, you see they have part number here. It is housing drawer L and the number is here, TC61 and so on. If you need to order a new one, I can help you order a new one. Write me in the comments and I will help you with a new part. So let's put new one in. Let's compare if they are same. Yeah, you see inside. Last one had broken that last part there. There was a crack. I can show you. Because the new part came from the factory. It took some time. So I quickly put some stuff there so I could just use it. And yeah. Now we are going to put the new one in. Pressurize it here and then make this like movement. Nice. Then I close those two guys here. Like that. Now, here is this part. I will show you how to put it back. Just with your hand, take like this. I put this clamp down. Then I pull up here. Here. There is a little groove. Put it correctly in the groove. And then squeeze the clamp and put it on. Like that. Now this straight in. I noticed one interesting thing. The old one didn't have screws everywhere, but this new one, it has screws here too, so we need to take off this first panel. It's very easy. We just remove those screws and then we have to pull this a little bit up like this. First we remove screws. Only 3 screws. Like this. Then leave it up and it's coming off. We can put it here gently like this. Now we can put this here and here. Here are holes. This and this. These guys are going there. So these are aligned. Then we put in this guy here. We put it on the bottom hole. Here are 2 holes. We put it on the bottom. like that. Now we are going to put back this one. You just slide it in the holes down there, like this, here, and then I check here to be sure. Here are two screws. Longer screw is going here, and the short screw is going here. Interesting problem again. This new part is original, but still it's not perfectly aligned, these holes. So I will give it a little play. I will open these screws a little bit here, here, here. So this panel has a little play. It will help to get those screws in. And if those screws are in, then I can close it again. Like this, it's good. And this one. It's a longer one, but come again. Good. Then we close this. Nice. So now everything is in place. I'm not going to put the blade back because we want to check how everything works. So if you want to do the check, then be really careful. It will get electricity inside here. So we put back water hose like this. Then open the water like this. Then we put in the electricity and start the machine. Like this, and now we can put in the power. Let's see how is it fitting. Nice. Not bad. Grooves inside the machine. Let's see. Will it work? You can hear how the water is going in. Yeah. Good. And there is no leak. Nothing here, nothing here. So we can put back the blade. First we put it back here, like this. And then we are sliding it in like this, and then and putting back those two screws. They are Phillips head, so plus we call them Phillips head screws. Like this, good.